Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your location. The technique I'm going to show you works on computers, smartphones, tablets, and many other devices. Before I show you how to change your location, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notifications button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you change your location? The short answer is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a VPN app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and that allows you to change your IP address. As you may know, it is your IP address, which is assigned to you by your internet service provider, that reveals where you are located. Once ExpressVPN is activated, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. I'll do a quick demo. As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in Nice, France. I start ExpressVPN, I choose a location, the US for example. I click here, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds, and done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. I'll refresh this page, and as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. So I was able to change my location in just a few clicks. If I visit a website, it will believe that I am located in the US because I have an American IP address. Let's try with another country. I'll disconnect. I choose another location. India, for example. I click here. It's connecting. And done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from India. I refresh this page again. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in India. If I visit a website, it will believe that I am located in India because I have an Indian IP address. I showed you how to do it on a computer, but the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. You can also use ExpressVPN on other devices, such as your smart TV or gaming console, for example. As you saw, to change your location, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs available on the market right now, if not the best. ExpressVPN has more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and therefore very many locations. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to make it look like you are in another location. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to change your IP address and thus make it look like you are connected from another location. That's it. It is that simple. Note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact the customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits. To browse and download privately, improve your security, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs can change your location, but they are unsafe and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to change your location. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. There are other VPNs that will allow you to change your location, such as NordVPN for example. NordVPN is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy of course. Many servers, more than 5,500 in total, in 59 countries, less than ExpressVPN, but enough for most of us. NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click on the link located in the description under this video. You will take advantage of a special offer, 62% off, plus 3 months free if you take the 2-year plan. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to change your location. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications button. Thanks and see you next time.